I haven't eaten for many days. I don't want money. Can you give me some food? Ah, shop owner. Last time, a fan commented that if I dress up as a beggar to ask for things, he would have his whole dorm follow me. Even a dog wouldn't do it for a dorm's attention. It's just begging. Hey, hello, it's like this. I want some food. I haven't eaten for many days. I don't want money. Can you give me some food? Ah, shop owner. Hello, it's like this. I just want some bread to eat. Is that okay? I haven't eaten for several days. I just want some bread. Is that okay? Okay, come, sit down. Come sit down. You said wait a moment. Huh? Sit for a while. Ah, here, have some bread. Oh, thank you, shop owner. You're welcome. It's nothing. No need. Not so much. No need. It's fine. Take it and eat. Ah, take it and eat. Ah, thank you. You're welcome. Come back if you're hungry. Come back if hungry. We'll meet again. Hey. There are still many in this world. I can't finish all this. It's to test me. This is for Lee Chen. This is for you to eat. It's all fresh. All give me money. I have. It's fine. Thank you. The latest P2S from Toshu has arrived. I couldn't wait to test it. It's as stable as ever. Printing my miniature models is amazing. Hello, I'm looking for the sister. Sister, hello. This, I give to you. Sister Dongtian, hello. I am the one you gave bread to last time. It's you. Yes, actually, I make miniature models, and at that time, I was conducting a social experiment. I felt quite sad when I saw it. It's good that it's not. It's like this. I'm truly grateful. That bread was the best I've ever had. No, it was just a small gesture. It's nothing. But in my heart, I'm really so thankful. It's really nothing. You do this for a living, right? It looks so real. It's beautiful. It's nothing compared to your kindness. No. Oh, I really wanted you to have it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll be going now. Thanks. Okay, bye now. So pretty. You're amazing.